Hello and welcome. You're watching the news at 4 p.m. I'm Suesha Sound. We continue to get you all the latest on the Chhattisgarh encounter where 22 Jawans were martyred in the Maoist attack which took place yesterday at the Sukma-Bijapur border. 17 bodies of the martyrs were recovered. Meanwhile, Home Minister Amit Shah has cut short his Assam visit to chair a review meet on the attack in the national capital. He will be returning any time now. Also, he says that the loss of lives will not go a waste. The sacrifice will be avenged. I want to cut across to my colleague Shivani, who's been tracking all the details very closely. Shivani, firstly, wanting to understand from you the status of the rescue operation and even the Indian Air Force that has now stepped into it. What's happening?
Suesha, it's been more than 24 hours now when the search and rescue operations started yesterday after this encounter happened in Sukma-Bijapur border, where we know till now the figures which we have got, the confirmed figures, say 22 soldiers have been martyred, and the search and rescue operations are still going on, and the forces are jointly cordoning the whole area because it is a quite distant location inside the dense forest where the security forces had got a tip of that the Naxal leader Hidma would be there, and he has a prize money on him of 25 lakhs. So a joint operation was launched on Friday night, and yesterday around 11:30 this encounter started where the ambush, the Naxalites, they had already placed an ambush and they started attacking the security personnel. In this brutal attack, we lost 22 soldiers. But as we've already heard how Amit Shah, the Union Home Minister, he has said that Naxals have also incurred huge losses, and what we are getting to know right now, though the unconfirmed news, but the sources are telling that around 15 to 20 Naxalites have also been killed during these operations. The bodies have not been recovered. Only one body has been recovered because the sources have also indicated that it is quite possible that these Naxalites have carried the bodies with them. And still the search and rescue operations are going in this area, and the injured soldiers are undergoing treatment in the hospitals. And we know that the Indian Air Force is also there, the CRPF is also there, ITBP is also there. So all these security forces are recovering the whole encounter site, and they are also looking for the missing CRPF inspector that is being told to be still missing after the whole operation.
Shivani, Home Minister Amit Shah has also confirmed that there has been extensive damage on the Naxal side as well. I want to bring in Amit, who's tracking details on the side of the centre and the Home Ministry. And Amit, Home Minister Amit Shah, who cut short his Assam visit, he is set to return to the national capital to take stock of the situation. He has made it very clear that the sacrifice will not go a waste, and that those who've sacrificed their lives, that will be avenged. But what really is happening as far as the plan ahead is concerned, and what is the centre doing?
देखिए, फिलहाल मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगा कि हमारी जो बीजापुर के जो सीईओ हैं उनसे बात हुई है, और उनका कहना यह है कि 24 जवान जो हैं वो शहीद हुए हैं। 24 जवान के शहीद होने की बात जो है फिलहाल वो उसकी पुष्टि कर रहे हैं। और उनका कहना है कि जिस तरीके से हमला हुआ उसको लेकर के अगर आकलन किया जाए तो करीब 400 से ज़्यादा नक्सली वहाँ पर मौजूद थे। मैं आपको ये भी बताना चाहूँगा कि खुफिया इन्फॉर्मेशन मिली थी कि जोनागढ़ जो वहाँ पे जोनागुंडा जो वहाँ की जो पहाड़ियाँ है वहाँ पर नक्सली जो है वो वहाँ पर जमे हुए हैं, और नक्सली जो इनामी नक्सली 25 लाख का इनामी नक्सली हिडमा वो वहाँ पर उनके साथ छुपा हुआ है। यही वजह है कि फ्राइडे नाइट को ये पूरा का पूरा जो ये ऑपरेशन है ये शुरू होता है। लेकिन जब गांव के पास जोनागुंडा गांव के पास जब सुरक्षाकर्मी पहुंचते हैं तो तीनों तरफ से उन पर हमला हो जाता है, उनको समझ नहीं आता। और ऐसे में करीब 700 जवान हमें बताया गया है कि वो वहां पर मौजूद थे, लेकिन तीनों तरफ से हमला होता है और हमले के बाद जो है उनकी वो शहीद होते हैं। लेकिन कितने नक्सली इस फायरिंग में, इस ऑपरेशन में मार गिराए गए, फिलहाल उसकी पुष्टि नहीं हो पा रही। लेकिन ये जरूर बोला जा रहा है कि काफी क्षति हुई है, काफी नुकसान हुआ है। यही वजह है कि ये भी बोला जा रहा है कि 3 ट्रैक्टर में उनकी बॉडीज जो है, वो नक्सली अपने लोगों की बॉडीज जो है वो 3 ट्रैक्टर में डालकर वहां से ले गए। एक बॉडी को फिलहाल रिकवर किया गया है। जी।